How to turn on automatic downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on App Store. On this page, under the Automatic Download section, turn on App Downloads to install free and paid apps. Next, turn on the App Update switch to automatically install new app updates. You can also enable automatic downloads under the Cellular Data section. Just simply turn on the Automatic Download switch. Your iPhone will now keep your apps and updates in sync automatically. Following these steps, you can easily turn on automatic downloads on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.